Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Children, in the previous class I discussed from 11 to 30 objectives. Now I will discuss from 31 to 54 objectives. Please keep passing package in front of you. It will be easy. Alhamdulillah, prepared by myself, M. Rukhsana, Assistant Teacher of Ghalib High School, Cantonment, Bellary. Shall I start now? Children, 31st is, which type of forest refer to the still-like roots? In this blank, you have to write down mangrove forest. 32nd, 32, the value of the total production of goods and services of a country during a year is dash. In this blank, you have to write down national income. 33. Teleshopping means trading from home itself. In this blank, you have to write down trading from home itself. 34. Headquarters of Food and Agricultural Organization is at Rome. 35. The reason to create separate electorate college in 1909 was to provide separate representation for Muslims. 36. The first Anglo-Mysore War was ended with the Treaty of Madras. 37. The one who started the newspaper New India is Annie Besant. The one who started the newspaper New India is Annie Besant. UNO adopted the Human Rights Declaration in the year 1948. Now 39. The correct statement related to UNO Security Council is, it is like cabinet of UNO. 40. Invisible hunger refers to malnutrition. Black soil is suitable for dry farming as it has a high moisture retention capacity. High moisture retention capacity. 42. The construction of Damodar River project has resulted in Damodar as no more sorrow of Bengal. 43. An example for direct tax is stamp duty. 44. A person has brought a car for worth rupees 15 lakhs is now facing some problem in it, but the car company is not responding to him. To which agency can the person complain? In this blank, you have to write down direct consumer forum. 45. The maintenance of the army became easy for British in India due to subsidiary alliance. 46. Curzon divided Bengal because to suppress anti-British sentiments. During Cold War, the result of arms race is USA remained as the only powerful country in the world. 48. India declared its support to Nelson Mandela because India opposed apartheid policy. 49. The policy that creates obstacles to SAARC progress is all decisions needs to be taken uniformly. 50. Silent Valley movement was started because it was affecting the sensitive ecological balance. 51. Irrigation farming is a very less practiced in western coastal regions of India because these areas receive sufficient rainfall. 52. The first hydroelectric power plant in India was started at Darjeeling in West Bengal. 53. The gap between urban and rural areas are winding because The contribution to national income from primary sector is declining. 54. As a result of globalization, the close relation and independence among the countries that has formed bilateral trade agreements. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Children, I think you understand this all objectives. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira.